here you can see 2.0 TFT LCD shield. So on the top side there is 2.0 inch LCD, then programmable buttons plus joystick, and this side you can see selection. So when you are using with 3.3 volt compatible board, so you need to have this selection on this side 3v3 SEL, and if it is used with 5 volt, then you just have to change this jumper to this side, that is 5 volt and SEL. So as you see, we are on SB component side. So Ardi Display Shield page is open. For getting started and other files, you can visit downside. Here software GitHub link and hardware GitHub link provided. So if you want to download design files, visit hardware GitHub. So now software GitHub is already open, where you will find detail and getting started. So hardware overview provided and interfacing detail is available. So when display is mounted on ArdiPi, so this particular GPIO pins are consumed with the display shield. And similarly, when it is mounted on RD32, so these pins are consumed. And for Arduino Uno, so for 3 different major boards is provided. And very important thing you have to remember is that the jumper selection. So if you are dealing with 3.3 volt compatible boards, then you have to put jumper on 3v3 SEL side, and when you are dealing with 5 volt compatible board, then change that jumper to SEL and 5 volt. Okay, so for demo we'll try to check working with RD32, so this section. And important thing is that if you are using with RD32, then you just have to visit RD32 software GitHub. So how to set up ESP32 for or in Arduino IT. So all the detailed instruction is available. And if you are working with ArdiPi, then you can visit on this ArdiPi software GitHub. So just download this GitHub, and I have already downloaded. So you see examples are available for all different boards. Now click and open this RD32 display shield interfacing. So in that time we'll connect and use type C. So now once it is connected, so you have to select ESP32 S3 dev module and select COM port. It might be different for your case. So just click on upload. So it will compile and start uploading. No need to press boot button. Automatically it will upload the code. So once code uploaded, open serial terminal and you see display is working. So now you can press button to see. Okay, so even you can test joystick for various pattern. So if you change, so pattern will change. Okay, so click this side, downside, we'll get different patterns. So try and tweak code as per your requirement. Thank you.